So in this video we will talk about how we can install Winlater emulator on your any Android phone. By the help of Winlater emulator you can easily run any PC games like GTA 5, Devil May Cry, lots of game you can easily run your any Android phone. Before starting this video, my name is Chris Yadav and you're watching Technical Chris. If you haven't subscribed this channel then subscribe and like this video if you want to support this type of content, and comment your device name, which device you using currently. You can see here my device is currently running on Android version 15 and this device name is Pixel 6a. After that let's move to installation process. Open any browser and search here Winlater GitHub. After that tap on first GitHub page and you require to download one application. Its name is Winlater. Try to download latest version of Winlater. In my case latest version of Winlater is Winlater 8.0. Then you can install this application and also you can read here its changes, improvement. UI added file manager, added screen effect, lots of changes mentioned here. If you want to read then you can read here. After that scroll down and tap on Winlater 8.0 or maybe latest version of Winlater application. Download this application. After that install this Winlater application in your Android phone. Then tap on open. Then this type of interface appear. Tap on allow and wait here 1 or 2 minutes maximum to maximum. After that this type of interface appear. No item to display. Then tap on plus icon. You require to create a new container in your Android device for Winlater emulator. First change your screen size according to your device. You can select here. If you want to better performance then select here low resolution. I want to prefer here 1280 to 720. You can select according to your device. If you are having high specs device then you can select maximum resolution, and if you have low then you can select here low resolution. After that graphics driver you can select here VIRGL universal, and if your device supported and renew GPU then you can select here and renew. After that you can tick here show FPS. Then you can select your themes according to your choice, light or dark, and also you can add here background image if you want to. Then you can select here video memory maximum to maximum. In my case maximum is 4096 MB. After that next changes in advance. You can leave it all these settings. You can select here window version according to your choice. I prefer to select here window 11 or window 10. Also you can select according to your choice if you want to. Then after that next changes in processor affinity. Select here CPU all core, CPU 0, 1, CPU 1, CPU 2, all CPU in processor affinity 32-bit. You require to leave here CPU 0 and CPU 1. After that tick all. Then tap on blue tick icon, then your container is ready. After that tap on play icon. We take here less than 1 minute according to your device. Wait here. Okay, you can see here successfully Winlater emulator set up in my device. If you want to in full screen then swipe from right and select here toggle full screen. If you want to more changes then you can change from here. You can here magnify, screen effect and input control, keyboard, lots of things appear. And after that thanks for watching this video.